Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to create a table using PG admin GUI. Okay, the PG admin GUI help us to create a table very easy and efficient manner. We didn't need to write a complex queries. Okay, let's just close this query editor and focusing on creating a table. Okay, for creating a table using pgadmin GUI, let's right click on table and just go to create and table. This will show you a window. In this window it asks for a table name. Let's create a table. Is enable is done. Okay, let's create a table is done. You can switch owner also here. We are using Prathmesh for this database. Okay. I'll explain you remaining all these things in next tutorials. Okay, columns. You can create a column for our table from here. Okay, enter the name of the column. Is id. uh, you can select various data type from here for the column. Okay, let's search for serial. Okay, serial. Length. Okay, length, scale, not null. If you see this button, you always need to insert the value at the time of insert query, and switch this column to primary key. That's it. In next advanced, there are lot of options available for this. In constant, you can see the available constant for our table. Exclude excluded the values are much unique. Check me some constant of foreign key and this primary key. Primary key show this SSID is ID. Okay. Let's check the SQL directly. Okay, here create table public dot is done is created, and the table has a primary key I is ID, and alter table public is done owner to Prathamesh. Okay, that's it. Just hit save. The table will be created. Okay. If I refresh the table, it will show me a is enable is done table. Okay. Let's view the table structure and create column. Okay, we can view the table structure by uh, right clicking on table name, and just go to properties. Inside properties, the same window is open. Here we can see the structure of table inside the column panel, and we can also create a new column inside this at any time. Okay, let's create a column name with the with the varying character, with the character varying data type, and give length 200 with not null constant, and just hit the save button. Here you can see that the column is created. Name. That's it. And now we can also rename, delete and change the data type of a column. So let's rename the column. For renaming the column, you just need to go same panel properties and just click here is done to done is done to done. We have renamed this column is done to done. Just hit save button and just see. Okay, the column name is renamed. You can also delete the column and change the data type of a column. Okay, let's open the properties panel. Inside this, if we don't need this character varying data type, for this we can switch to char, and we can switch this data type to char. Okay, the data type of the collaboration are not followed. Okay, just and okay, this is also a case uh, when we in PostgreSQL database, when we switching the data type of a character, it shows only these a 1 2 3 4 5 6 on this 6 relevant field, which is relevant to character data type. It not gonna show here in drop down integer data type, because in previous tutorial I'll show you what to do in this case. Okay, let's switch this to text data type and save. Okay, that's it. uh, let's delete the this table from database. For deleting the table, there are many ways. You can write the query, or you can just click on this, right click on this and just go to delete or drop. If you click on this, it will give you a prompt and asking for you are sure that you want to delete the database. This is also case with the query, just open the query tool. In query tool, when you are using a drop command, you just need to think again for this command, because if you are dropping the table in production environment, the table will never be undo. You will lose the data, or you will lose all the data. Okay, the query is drop table and table name is done. The table will be deleted. Okay, just you can see that table done is not exist. Okay, sorry. Drop table done. Why it showing this message? Scale state 4 to p0. Okay, let's just create another table and trying to drop this. We have assigned user to this user pratham to this table. Okay, these are table was deleted. That's it, the query work fine. Thank you.